Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue failed to configure a data source URL attribute is not specified. So I'm getting this error when I try to run my Spring Boot application in IntelliJ. So I haven't added any piece of code. I've just got the code from Spring Initializer and this is a Gradle project, and I've just run my application and I'm getting this error. And now let me show you a way to solve this. So you'll be having the source folder, expand that, expand main, expand Java, and just go to your demo application file. And in this we will be having the Spring Boot annotation at the top. Okay, so you're going to just add this particular condition. So just copy this. You can just pause the video and type it out and just put it over here. So it's going to be exclude within curly bracket data source auto configuration dot class, and you can just import this particular class. That's it. And in my case I haven't even added any line of code, no connection. I'm just trying to directly run the program. So if you're again getting this error, you might have forgotten to specify any particular property in your connection code in application.properties. So please check that also. And if I run it now, this time I won't be getting any errors. Yeah, here you can see no errors, the application has started. And if you are still getting this error, as I told you earlier, check your connection code, check your application.properties. So once you have added the necessary parameters in application.properties, I would recommend you to remove this particular code. Okay, remove this thing, and now if you run, you won't be getting any errors. So make sure that you have the correct data given over here. Do check the playlist of my channel. And a lot of videos in Spring Boot, MongoDB, MySQL, CRUD operations, AI tutorials. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.